Os nenos e as nenas deste vamos a contar-vos um conto em inglês. Catch your mouse. Let's go shopping. Hey cat, look at this hat. Wow, mouse is nice. Do you like it? Yes, let's buy. Hey cat, look at the t-shirt. Wow, it's white. You like it? What's that shape? Yes, I like it. Hey cat, look at the shirt. Wow, it's cool. Do you like it? Yes, I like it. Hey cat, look at the trousers. Wow. Do you like them? Yes, I love them. Hey cat, look at this dress. Wow, beautiful. Do you like it? I love it. Hey cat, where are some glasses? Wow, cool. Do you like them? Yes, are dots. Hey cat, look at this one. Wow, they are nice. Do you like them? Yes, I do. Hey cat, look at this skirt. Wow, it's pretty. Do you like it? Yes, I like it very much. Hey cat, look at my shoes. Wow, really nice. Do you like them? I love them. Hey cat, do really good. Do you love mouse? I have an idea. Yippee!